Your Nose, written by Nick Arnold.
A nose can be big. A nose can be small. Your nose is hard on top and soft at the end. It hurts when you bang your nose. Your nose has 2 nostrils. There are hairs in the nostrils, and they are wet inside. You have snot in your nose. Your body needs air. Your lungs suck air into your nose. Your nose heats the air on its way to your lungs. The air your body does not need gets blown out from your nose and mouth. Your nose lets you smell. You sniff the air. The smell goes in your nostrils and up inside your head. Inside your head, the smell sets off a signal. The signal tells your brain what the smell is. Your nose helps you to stay safe. Smells tell you if there is a risk. The smell of smoke or gas can mean it is not safe. If food smells good, you want to eat it. If food is not good, it smells bad. The bad smell tells you that the food can make you sick. Your nose helps to keep dirt out of your lungs. If dirt gets in your nostrils, it sticks to the snot and does not go into your lungs. Dirt and dust in your nose make you sneeze. When you sneeze, dirt and dust and snot fly out of your nose very fast. When you are ill, your nose makes lots of snot. You need to blow your nose a lot. Your nose helps you all the time. It helps you to get air, smell, keep out dirt, and get better when you are ill.